Hi guys, I need to show you in this video, that's the interior work. You can see here we have corrugated metal and beams and columns. So that is the second floor. Here there's the first floor, and here you can see we poured concrete above the corrugated metal. So that is like 3 inches concrete, and you can see we have cracks from column to the corners. You can see straight here. Yeah, the drawing didn't call for control joint, but you can see here crack line up straight this way, crack line up straight this way. There is one this way also, crack this way, and that's the crack this way. So the crack everywhere, because you can see here it came around columns. Okay, so you can see crack here. Okay, crack there. Okay, that's the crack. Same thing here. Okay, it's better to do control joint, but the drawing didn't call. But you can see, you can follow that crack, column to column, column to column, the crack. So it's better to put control joint column to column, column to column, but the drawing didn't call for that. And here you can see this glass with support that for structural. You can see same thing at the second, third floor. Duct work here, duct work here, and here. Okay. You can see here we did insulation for the metal. Okay, that's insulation foam for the metal. Okay, that's flat. Okay, again, that's the crack. Okay, that's insulation for beams and corrugated metal sheet. Okay guys, duct work, cover it with plastic. Okay guys. Okay, here sheathing. Okay, you can see here sheetrock work, drywall work. Sheet work. Okay, here that's a green, moisture resistant, green or purple, that is moisture resistance. You can see for bathrooms. Okay guys, this video about interior work for concrete to slab, but here just reminder, there's a lot of cracks because there's no control joint. It's better there to put control joint. You can see cracks all the way. Okay, cracks all the way. Okay guys, please, here you can see the hot channel. There's a space for the hot channel here all the way, and that is the handle. You can see we have the handles here, and we did the blocking for handle for stairs. This will be here. Okay guys, so please, if you like this video, subscribe and like. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.